Well, if you've been faithfully watching the videos all week of the Puff Pastry, I'd like to thank you. And this is the last one of that series. This is now showing you what to do to get it to the oven, and from the oven how we finish the cakes off to make them look really nice. Enjoy the video. What can I say? I'm a genius. So these cream crisps have rested about an hour now, so I'm going to put them in the oven. I'm going to put them about 2.5 inches off the bottom of the oven, 175 degrees on a fan oven, around about 20 minutes I think. So these cream crisps have been around about 20 minutes and they are now ready. There they are. So these Puff Pastry products have all been rested about an hour. On the previous things you saw me make the Eccles cakes and the cream puffs and the cream roll. I'm going to bake them all in the same oven at the same time because they do take round about the same length of time. Right, just wet the top a little bit like that. Granulated sugar, just dip it in. Place it on there. Now when you do place these on, if you see on the cream roll, see where the seal's finished there, make sure that's on the bottom. If it's not on the bottom, it'll open up. If you've got it on the bottom, it'll keep it sealed. So wet the top part, just like that. Dip it in the granulated sugar. Like that. There you go. So just put a bit more on the side there, that's it there. And exactly the same with these cream puffs, just wet the top, dip it in the sugar. You want it in quite a lot of nice granulated sugar. It makes it nice and crispy on the top when it comes out of the oven. And the same there. And now my 3 Eccles cakes. Exactly the same. 1, 2, 3. Right, put those in the oven. 150 degrees on the fan oven, around about 20 minutes again. So we've been around about 20 minutes or so. We're just going to see if these are ready. And yes, they are. Now, because we use granulated sugar and we didn't put a lot of moisture on them, you can see how crispy it's gone on the top and nice and hard, and yeah, it's lovely. Right, just get them out, put them on top there. At this particular point you need to get those cream horn tins out of the cream horns. So be careful because it's still hot. If you wait till they go cold, there's a good chance that the tins will stick. But you get your thing like that, be very careful. Just put it up like that. Yes, that one's come out. There's one. And yep, there's the last one. There you go. And there's your cream horns. Those will be your cream puffs, Eccles cakes. We'll finish them off in a little while when they've gone cold. Right, here we go. These have now been about 10 to 15 minutes. I'm just going to try one of these Eccles cakes. Just cut one in half. This is what they call the perks of the job. There it is. There's the filling, you see. All nice and moist because we put those bits of cake in and the sugar and everything. It tastes lovely. Right, so all those cakes that we did in the previous videos, we're now going to finish off and make them look really nice. So what I've done, I've melted a little bit of chocolate in the microwave. Only a tiny bit, because what I want to do, I want to just dip the ends of these cream horns into the chocolate. Just like that. Just rest it on there, just so that it dries. There you go, nice chocolate end to that. Right, that's the chocolate used. Now then, get my sharp knife, just cut these puffs open. Mind your fingers, remember. These knives are really sharp. And just cut that open like that. Right, that's that. Right, get some jam. Let's get your jam. Now, at this stage, you can either use jam in these, or you could get some stewed apple. You can put some stewed apple inside them, and that would make apple puffs, obviously. But these, for the moment, are going to be jam and cream puffs. There's the jam inside those. Now, remember the crisps that we did? These are the crisps. So again, we're just going to put some jam on them. Put the crisps in the nice little cases like that. Jam there. And some jam on that one. There we go. Now we also want a little bit of jam down the inside of those cream holes. So just get your knife and just put the jam and just smear it down the bottom of the cream hole. Just like that. There we go. Now, I picked some cream up before. Now this is just the cream alternative. It's double cream alternative that I'm using here. You could use fresh double cream or whipping cream as we used to use in the bakery. That's slightly lighter than double cream. But whatever you want to pull in. Like I say, this is what they used to call a synthetic cream. It's cream alternative. You get it from the supermarket. Double cream alternative. Now, I'll put a big star tube in the bottom. Squeeze the air out. So, what we do, put a big blob of cream in the middle of each of these. While I'm doing that, see this, just go around the outside like that. And squeeze it together. There we go, just like that. Do that like that. There we go. Now, I'll come to those cream holes in a minute because that chocolate's still a bit soft. So, we've got those. Now the crisps, they go on top like that. You see? And then we get a little bit of icing sugar. And we just put it on like that. If you've got a sugar dredger, if you're really posh and you've got proper icing sugar dredger, you just shake the sugar over. I'm just a poor baker. I don't have much sense. That's that. A little bit more cream in there now. Now for video purposes, I'm going to just cream those cream holes, even though the chocolate's still a bit soft. You would normally wait for the chocolate to set properly. You just get paper cases to put them on, but you'll get the drift. You put the cream in there and you squeeze it in, bring it out like that, squeeze it in, bring it out like that, and you go, cream holes. Just come away with the chocolate being a little bit soft. There you go. Cream holes. So there you go, that's how to finish the cakes off. If you like what you saw, don't forget, like, share, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. I'll see you again next time.